Join me as I dive deep into the benefits of Capsule Sangobion and see if I can uncover its amazing secrets. Capsule Sangobion is a popular supplement that's been gaining traction in the health community lately, and for good reason. It's specifically designed to address some of the most common health issues that many of us face, and today we're going to explore exactly what those benefits are and how it can help transform your health. Fatigue is something that affects millions of people around the world. You know the feeling. You wake up in the morning, and instead of feeling refreshed and energized, you just want to go back to bed. It's a constant struggle to get through the day, and it can be really debilitating. Anemia is another common issue that affects many of us, particularly women. It's a condition where your body doesn't have enough red blood cells, or they're not functioning properly, leading to feelings of weakness, dizziness, and shortness of breath. And then there are vitamin deficiencies, which can cause a whole range of problems, from hair loss to skin issues, and even mood disorders. These are just a few examples of the health issues that many of us face on a daily basis. And it's not just about feeling unwell. These issues can also affect our productivity, our relationships, and our overall quality of life. So, what can we do about it? That's where Cap Sangobion comes in, a supplement that's specifically designed to address these common health issues and promote overall health and wellness. The key ingredients in Cap Sangobion work together to boost energy levels, increase hemoglobin production, and support the immune system. One of the main benefits of Cap Sangobion is its ability to increase oxygenation of the body's tissues, which can help to reduce fatigue and improve overall energy levels. It also contains a range of essential vitamins and minerals that are crucial for maintaining healthy red blood cells. And because it's an all-natural supplement, you don't have to worry about any harsh chemicals or side effects. By taking Cap Sangobion regularly, you can expect to see a significant improvement in your overall health and well-being. Your energy levels will increase, your skin will look healthier, and you'll feel more confident and empowered to take on the day. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a look at some personal testimonials from people who've used Cap Sangobion and seen some amazing results. One user reported a significant increase in her energy levels after just a few weeks of taking Cap Sangobion. She said she was able to get through her day without feeling exhausted, and was even able to start exercising again. Another user reported an improvement in her anemia symptoms, saying that she no longer felt weak and dizzy all the time. And yet another user said that Cap Sangobion had helped her to reduce her hair loss and improve the overall health of her skin. These are just a few examples of the many transformative experiences that people have had with Cap Sangobion. It's a testament to the power of this supplement and its ability to address some of the most common health issues that we face. So, what can we take away from all of this? Cap Sangobion is a powerful supplement that can have a significant impact on our health and well-being. By addressing fatigue, anemia, and vitamin deficiencies, it can help us to feel more energized, confident, and empowered to take on the day. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you used Cap Sangobion before? What were your experiences like? And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on health supplements and wellness. And don't forget to check out our next video.